Welcome to my channel. My name is Lindsay if this is your first time here, and if you've been tuning in, what's up, what's good, what's tea, welcome back. As you can tell from the title, today we will be doing a hair review on this half wig, and honestly this is my go-to wig. Like, I love her. She's easy, she's manageable, she doesn't tangle, she doesn't shed, she's not hot, and you can't tell me that this is not my hair. You can't tell me. So if you want to hear more about this hair, just keep on watching. So this is the Outre quick weave in the style Peruvian. I got her in this I got her in the color 2 because I got her from the beauty supply, and they were sold out of 1B, but it was okay because she still blends and matches with my hair just fine. You also can get this hair online, so I'll go ahead and link some places that you can shop online in the description box. Honestly, they're a little bit more affordable online, but then you have to pay shipping, so it kind of like balances out. But if you need the hair like right now, I would say go ahead and go to your local beauty supply store. But if you can wait just a little minute and you're patient, you can go ahead and hit the link in my description box below. This is a synthetic wig, and I just love her. She's super full. It doesn't say how long she is, but she's pretty long. Like, she's like down my back. On the card it does give you like a step-by-step like instructions for this wig. So it does have a comb in the front, a comb in the back, and then adjustable straps. When I apply her, I like to put 2 bobby pins near my ears just to make sure that she's nice and secure. When I do my braid down, I do an anchor braid on top in the middle, and then I just cornrow the rest of my hair back. And yes, she's nice, she's secure, she's snug. Yes, and because she's synthetic, I usually wear this wig, I would say 2 weeks. So the first week I will wear it in this natural state at its natural length, and then by week 2 I'll go through and like cut, because like in the back it mats just a little bit, so I'll cut that matting out, and then I will basically chop her into like a long bob. I'll go ahead and insert a pic of me wearing it a little bit shorter, and I love it. So it's like you get 2 styles, same wig, for between like $25. Like, you can't beat that. I don't sleep in her. I take her off at night and just like wrap up my hair like in a scarf and a bonnet. As you may or may not know, I like to go big or go home when it comes to my baby hairs, but I think that it looks so good with curly hair. Like, you cannot tell me that this isn't my hair. So cute, so cute. And like I said, she doesn't tangle, she doesn't shed, she mats a little bit, but that's just like having a synthetic wig and just like living in her. I mean, if you want to go to sleep in her, more than welcome to. She won't last as long. It does have some care instructions of like if you want to wash the wig, but I don't normally do that. Yeah. If you wanted to wear her on the other side, you can. Actually, I think I might be feeling her on this side. So yeah, you can really wear her on any side. If you wanted to wear it back, just all the way back, it's just tricky because I'm gonna leave out. Some pieces are longer than others, but you don't have to have any which way like flipped. You can literally still wear her straight back. You can't part her because there's no parting space. I mean, if you wanted to wear her, like wear your natural hair, like maybe in a bun or half up half down, or do something cute, like you can do like some cornrows like in a design and then put the wig on in the back, you definitely can do that. You just have to tighten the straps in the back. So yes, if you love this hair, definitely go buy it. It's affordable, you'll love it. Thank me later. And I think that's the end. Like, short, sweet, to the point. Go buy this hair. I will not steer you wrong, I promise. If you want to see some of my other hair reviews, I'll go ahead and link some in the cards above, as well as the description box below. And go ahead and check out all my other videos as well. Thank you so much for watching and getting to the end of this video. As always, I love you so much for your love and support. We're almost to 500 subscribers. Like, the gang is growing and I'm here for it. I'm loving it. So yeah, definitely give a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, watch another video, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Peace.